Hello, welcome everyone. So today our first problem will be unstable string which have in rating 1400. So first I will explain this problem statement and then give you some hints, then you will try. We have given a string which consists of question mark, 0 and 1, and we are calling this string unstables if the character 1 and 0 are adjacent to each other, means 0 1 0 1 or 1 0 1 0. These types of alternating sequence we are calling them unstables. And here also given the definition of a beautiful strings, means beautiful string are those which only consist of 0 1 and question mark, and we can replace this question mark so that our string become unstable, means string will become in this form again if we replace this question mark either 0 or 1. So in problem we are given we have to count the number of beautiful continuous substrings. So first we will see the constant. T is 10 power 4 and S is of length 2 into 10 power 5. So here we have to think something about order of n. So take a minute and think about some approaches. So now let's move to the solutions. First, if we think we have to only count the substrings of beautiful strings, therefore the following options can be, means first I will explain, means we only have to take the care of the last digits. For example 0 1 0 question mark 1, means what can be this, if this can be 0 or 1. If this will be 0, then we have to start a new unstable string because his ith index minus 1 have already 0. So this have one substring as single count, and if this is 1, then this will continue with this string and answer of I minus 1 plus 1. And how it's come, let's see. If we want to count the substrings of a number 1, let's see 1 2 3 4 5, these 5 numbers, how many substrings are possible? First we will count single ones. Single ones will have 5 contribution, and length of 4 will have, length of 2 will take 1 2 1 2 3 4 4, and that's how length of 3 will be 3, and lengths of 4 will be 2, and lengths of 5 will be this whole substrings, only 1 is possible. So this will be n into n plus 1 divided by 2, total number of substrings possible. So this also the same thing coming from this, because here we have answer of n minus 1, we are only adding the plus 1 contribution to including this new element, including this element, means this have 4 answer, means this have till 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, this value have 4, so we are including this, so this will be 5. So total overall sum will give the total number of substrings. Same in this way we are adding here. So I am making it too complex, sorry for that. So here that's how the DP transformer comes out. So the base case will be S can be 0 or 1. So we have initialized the base case for the DP and starting from the first index, and if the string current index is question mark, so we have two possibilities. Either we should start from dp of I, taking I, if it's I then we are counting from zeros, and if it's 0 then we are counting from ones, and if it's ones then we have only one possibility to count from the 0, and I have not mentioned the here the second part, that will be dp I 0 equals to 0. This will become 0 because here our substring will be ended. So this here I have initialized all the dp, that's why I have not also written here. And also for this form the zeros I am taking from its -1, and in the final answer I am adding all the maximums of ith index. And now see why I am taking the max of all the dpi 0 and dpi 1, because in problem statement we have to say we have to only count beautiful substrings, not the unstables. If we say to count the unstables then we have to add these answers, but we have to only count beautifuls means that if the strings end means in this case if the dp of its 0 become 0, so this will going to reduce our answer. So we are taking the maximum value, means the maximum means we are taking the maximum question marks here. Question marks are included in, means the here is how I explain, let's think that's in this way, the question mark which are going to include in our answer. So in substrings which question marks we are going to include will be taken by this max in this case and simply printed this answer. So thanks for that. So any doubts please put in the comment section.